Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn English with Hina. So students, in today's video we are going to learn about narration. Narration also called reported speech. But before understanding the transformation of sentence in narration, let us understand the use, the purpose or the scope of narration in English language. So, narration is basically the reporting of the past action or about all those incidents which has already been taken. So, that means if we do not have a narration, then there is no scope of telling or reporting about the past action. So, this is the sole purpose of using narration in English language. Now, coming to the topic, let us understand some more interesting facts about narration. It is of two major types. One is direct speech and another one is indirect speech. First of all, let us understand what is direct speech and what is indirect speech. Direct speech is that speech when we quote the actual words of the speaker. And indirect speech is that speech when we report the words of the speaker without quoting the actual words. So this is the shortest possible definition of direct speech and indirect speech, and it is very much clear from the definition what direct speech tells and what indirect speech talks about. For more clarity, we have an example you can see on the screen. The example for direct speech is, he said, I play cricket. And if I transform the same sentence, then it could be, he said that he played cricket. This is indirect speech. Now, looking at these examples, you can clearly observe that there are some noticeable changes between the direct sentence and indirect sentence. Let us count these changes. The comma and inverted comma which is used in a direct sentence is replaced by connector that in the indirect sentence. Next, the pronouns used in the direct sentence is replaced by persons in the indirect sentence. So these are the very basic changes when we transform the sentence from direct to indirect. Beside these changes, you can very well clearly observe that there are more than one verb used in the sentences. One is used before inverted comma, that is reporting verb, and one is used after inverted comma, that is called reported verb. There are speeches also, two different types of speeches. One is used before inverted comma, that is reporting a speech, and one is used after inverted comma, that is reported speech. This I am telling you in the very beginning because it is very important to understand what is reported verb, and what is reporting speech and reported speech, so that to avoid any sort of confusion further. Now, before understanding the transformation of sentence from direct to indirect, let me tell you that there are a few types of sentence where there is no scope of change when we transform it from direct to indirect. These are universal fact, habitual fact, historical fact, and true fact. So, before transformation, you have to clearly look at your sentence that which type of sentence it is. If it is any of these, then there is no scope of change. Moving ahead, let us understand the transformation of different types of sentences from direct to indirect. It may be imperative or assertive or optative or exclamatory or interrogative. So let's continue with the imperative sentence. As you all know that imperative sentences are request, command or orders. And if the imperative sentence is in direct speech, then there is always two verbs in the sentence. One is reporting verb and another is reported verb. So if it is imperative sentence, then convert the reporting verb into the words like requested, commanded or order, or it may be told also. Then next, the another reported verb can be converted to the infinitive. So these are the possible changes which you can do when you are transforming an imperative sentence in the direct form to the indirect form. So let's understand another type of sentence, that is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is a type of declarative statement. So if we want to convert it from direct to indirect, Then the reporting verb should be converted to asked, said and told, and reported verb should be changed as per the tense. So this is about how to convert assertive sentence from direct to indirect. Next we have exclamatory sentence. So if it is an exclamatory sentence and we want to convert it from direct to indirect, then first of all we have to add some expression which shows exclamation. So the reporting verb should be converted to some expression of exclamation, that is exclaim with joy or sorrow or happiness, and the reported verb should be converted as per the tense. So this is about exclamatory sentence. Next sentence we have optative sentence. Optative sentences are prayers and wishes. So the reporting verb should be changed into wished or prayed as per the need of the sentence, and the reported verb should be changed as per the tense. Next we have to convert the modal verb also into its past form. If it is a may, then convert it into might. So this is all about optative sentence. Next we have interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences are of two types. So two different types of sentences we can convert from direct to indirect form. One is WH word sentence and one is auxiliary word interrogative sentence. So let's discuss first of all WH word question. So if we have WH word question in the direct sentence, then what we have to do? We have to convert the reporting verb to the word asked, and the reported verb should be changed as per the tense. Next, the reported speech should be introduced with the same WH word which is used in the direct sentence. So this is the trick which you have to remember about the interrogative sentence which is starting from the WH word. Next interrogative sentence is that where the question starts from auxiliary verb. So when the question starts from auxiliary verb, then first of all again the reporting verb should be changed to the word asked, and the reported verb should be changed as per the tense. Next, the reported speech should be introduced with the words such as if or whether. So this you have to remember, if the sentence is starting from the auxiliary verb, then you have to use the word if or whether. So this is all about interrogative sentence. So we have discussed all the different types of sentences, and all the sentences have different and specific rules to convert it from the direct to indirect sentence. It is very easy. Now let's discuss about the changes of tense which takes place when we convert it from direct to indirect. So let's start with the simple present. So if the direct sentence is in simple present, then change it to the simple past. If it is in present continuous, change it to the past continuous. If it is present perfect, change it to past perfect. And if it is present perfect continuous, then convert it to the past perfect continuous. But if your sentence is in simple past, then change it to past perfect. And if it is in past continuous, then change it to past perfect continuous. That means we do not have any indirect form of past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. So this is all about if our sentence is in either present or past form. But if our sentence is in future form, then we are supposed to do some minor changes only. That is, only change will and shall to would and should. Rest of the things should remain same. So this is all about reported speech, or we can say narration, and I have summarized the whole topic in one common video, and I think you have understood each and everything related to direct speech and indirect speech, and where all the doubts has got cleared also. So let's meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.